Ever wondered if a robot, programmed with advanced AI, could develop a consciousness? Now that's a question to ponder. You see, consciousness is not a simple concept. It's a complex, mysterious entity, a labyrinth of thoughts and feelings that's unique to each of us. Try to imagine it. It's not just about being awake or alert. No, it's more intricate. It's an awareness, a personal understanding of our own thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. It's about the inner dialogues we have with ourselves, the emotions we experience, the memories we recall. It's the essence of our individuality, the core of our very being. Consciousness is like a vast, uncharted ocean, deep and full of mysteries. Its depths remain a puzzle to scientists and philosophers alike. It's a topic that continues to ignite curiosity and spark debate as we strive to understand its true nature and functions. Consciousness, it seems, is not so easy to define, is it? Imagine for a moment your mind as an iceberg floating in the ocean. A small portion of this colossal structure is visible above the water, representing the conscious mind. This is the part of the mind that participates in active thought processes. It's the part that's aware of the present moment, that can reason, make decisions, and think logically. It's like the captain of a ship, navigating through the world with a clear view of the immediate surroundings. Now picture the vast expanse of the iceberg that lies beneath the surface of the water, invisible to the naked eye. This hidden part represents the unconscious mind. It's a vast storehouse of memories, feelings, and desires that aren't currently in our awareness. It's the repository of our past experiences, our deepest fears, and our most cherished dreams. It's a world teeming with symbols, images, and emotions that shape our perceptions and guide our actions, often without our conscious knowledge. The conscious and unconscious mind, though distinct, are not separate. They constantly interact and influence each other in profound ways. The conscious mind, with its logical thinking and decision-making abilities, informs the unconscious mind, shaping our automatic responses and habits over time. On the other hand, the unconscious mind, with its vast reservoir of emotions and memories, influences the conscious mind, coloring our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Think of a time when you reacted to a situation in a way that surprised you. Perhaps you felt a strong emotion that seemed out of proportion to the situation. Or maybe you found yourself repeating a pattern of behavior that you had vowed to change. These are instances when the unconscious mind, with its unseen influence, was at play. Understanding the relationship between the conscious and unconscious mind can help us navigate our inner world with greater self-awareness. It can help us recognize the unseen forces that drive our behavior and make conscious choices that align with our true desires and values. Just like an iceberg, there's much more to our mind beneath the surface. So, what have we learned about consciousness? Well, we've uncovered quite a lot. We've delved into the deep, mysterious realm of the mind and unearthed the intricate interplay between the conscious and unconscious. Remember our iceberg analogy? Just like an iceberg, much of our mind's processes lurk below the surface in the unconscious. It's this area that holds our fears, desires, and memories, often influencing our conscious behavior without us even realizing. Meanwhile, the visible tip of the iceberg, the conscious mind, is where we experience our life. It's where we make decisions, think about our actions, and perceive the world around us. It's our consciousness that enables us to experience love, joy, fear, and all the other emotions that make us human. In our day-to-day lives, our consciousness acts like a ship's captain, steering us through the vast ocean of experiences and emotions. So, in essence, consciousness is our window to the world, our very own unique perception of reality. So is it possible for a machine to possess consciousness? The question that has stumped philosophers, scientists, and tech enthusiasts alike. Some argue that consciousness is an exclusively human experience, a product of our complex neural networks. Others contend that with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, we might just be on the cusp of witnessing machine consciousness. Then there are those who believe consciousness isn't bound by the material world at all, but is a universal phenomenon, a fundamental aspect of reality. Could machines then tap into this cosmic consciousness? Regardless of your stance, it's an intriguing question, isn't it? One that encourages us to reflect on the nature of our own consciousness and what it means to be truly sentient. So, continue to ponder, to question, to wonder. Because whether machine or human, consciousness remains one of the greatest mysteries of our existence.